Please, mister, can you help us? We are hungry.
Every day, millions of lives are lost, not for external wars, but to the hidden war within. Poverty, corruption, and inequality. The true battle is right here at home. Fellow citizens, today we stand at a crossroads. Our beloved country is facing challenges, but within each challenge lies an opportunity. Insecurity is shaking us, but it won't define us. Instead, it will unite us to build a stronger, safer, and more prosperous future. Let's explore how we can turn this tide together. Our first step towards insecurity is to ensure economic development for all. When people have jobs, when they can put food on the table and provide for their family, peace follows. We must focus on reducing the gap between the rich and the poor, creating jobs, fostering an environment where everyone, regardless of their background, can strive. For a nation to be secure, it must be led by people of integrity who put the needs of the people first. We must hold our leaders accountable, demand for transparency, and embrace good governance. Together, let's restore faith in our political system and ensure it works for everyone, not just a selected few. Let us look past the difference of our ethnicity, religion, culture, and background. In our diversity, there is strength. Division only weakens us. Instead, let's promote understanding, tolerance, and unity. When we embrace our collective humanities, we build bridges of peace, not walls of division. To those who will choose to divide us through extremism, we respond with education. For knowledge is the light that dispels the darkness of ignorance. We must ensure our children, our future leaders, are well equipped with the skills and opportunity to make better choices. Extremism only strives where hope has faded, so let us reignite that hope. We must ensure our security forces are well equipped, well trained, and free of corruption. We need to invest in them because they are the shield that protects us all. But let us not forget, true security is also found in justice. We need security forces that are just, fair, and treat every citizen equal. As a nation, we must be careful of who we allow to influence us. We need to build strong alliances based on mutual respect, but reject any interference that only seeks to destabilize us. Our future is in our own hands, and we will chart the path to our own security and prosperity. Corruption is the enemy of progress. It steals from the poor, robs the nation of its own potential, and destroys trust. We need to reclaim our resources, our land, our wealth, our integrity, and put them to work for the common good. We must build a culture where corruption is not tolerated and integrity is celebrated. True security is not just about guns and borders. It is about ensuring having access to clean water, fertile land, and a healthy environment. We need to take care of our land so it can take care of us. Climate change is a global issue, but it hits home when our farmers struggle to grow food or when we fight over scarcity. When people are displaced, whether by conflict or natural disaster, we must respond with compassion and planning. We must ensure our country is equipped with the opportunity to manage migration in a way that strengthens our communities and foster understanding rather than division. To end insecurity, we must break the hold of criminal networks. These groups, whether involving in drug trafficking or other illicit activities, only thrive in chaos. We must support our law enforcement, empower our communities, and create alternatives to crime through education and opportunity. My brothers and sisters, our nation's security lies not just in the hands of our government, it lies in our own hands. It lies in the decision we make every day, the way we treat each other, and the vision we hold in our own hands. I believe in our ability to overcome these challenges, to rise above insecurity, and to build a future where peace, justice, and unity are the foundation of our society. Together we rise, divided we fall. Yours, Mansa Sandoks. God bless Nigeria and Africa in a whole.
You are capable. You are worthy. And together, we rise above the shadows into the light.